how to remove watermarks from videos for free. So let's try this out. Let's go to media.io. This is the link that you're gonna go to. And then from here, you need to sign up. It's free, don't even worry about it. I'm gonna go to the video and click object remover. Now let's upload a video or photo. 17, okay, so this is the shortest one. From here, as you can see, if I go a bit further into the video, you can see the watermark right here, how to fix everything. So how you would remove this is simply clicking add area. Now you're gonna be presented with this box, and you're just gonna carefully place the box right on top of the watermark that you want to remove. And click remove objects now. And there you go. Let's just click download and see how the video looks like. So this video is 3 megabytes. When I uploaded it was 12 megabytes, so that's interesting. Let's see how this video looks like. So as you can see, the watermark is still here, but if I fast forward the video, I think I removed the watermark somewhere around this part of the video. So if I go here, the watermark should be removed. There you go. That's how to remove a watermark from a video for free. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.